I'm Steve from Technology Core, and in this video we're going to have a look at HDi Sketch. HDi Sketch comes standard with our HDi Interactive Whiteboard and our HDi Interactive TV. So it's just a program which sits on your laptop or your PC, whichever connects to your board, and it enables you to use the board as a true interactive whiteboard or interactive TV. Alright, so what we'll do, we'll have a bit of a look at the functions within HDi Sketch to give you a bit of an understanding of how you might use it in the classroom. So with this particular board, we're able to have 4 points of contact. So we're going to have 4 students up on the board using the board, and HDi Sketch will actually support that. So using our pen, we can write simultaneously on the board with 4 different students. Okay. So the first function that we'll have a look at is our intelligent pen. So this will actually allow you to do a handwrite a particular shape, and it will snap it into its true form. Okay, so we've done a circle, we can do rectangle if we like. What I can also do using gesture control, which is similar to how we use an iPad, I can actually change the shape. I can increase it, I can move it around, reduce the size. So I can interact with that shape on the board using our gesture control. Okay. The other function which we've got here is being able to insert an object. So be it a photo, so if I just grab a photo here, again using gesture control I can change the size of that photo. So any photo, any image that I've downloaded from the net or that I've taken and put onto my laptop, I can use that also. So, and there's other features in there, I can lock it into place, I can change the size, but the important thing is that I'm interacting with it in a gesture control way, similar to iPads, which are starting to become quite prevalent in schools, and so we're sort of keeping that standard interaction on the board. Alright, so using the white background we can use it similar as a whiteboard, but because it's multi-touch I can have multiple students up on the board interacting with it. So I'm going to invite Andy to come up, and we're just going to do, say, a basic times table. We can just use the pen tool to write simultaneously on the board and do a maths activity. So fairly basic, but enables multiple students up on the board and interacting with it. Okay, so we'll close that. Also what I can do is bring up content that I've got already. So we're just going to bring up a Google Maps. So this is just live on the internet, and I can use HDi Sketch to annotate over the top of that content. So this could be a Word doc, could be a PDF file or whatever. So, and again, using multiple students coming up and interacting. So we're just going to label the states of Australia on here, so we can do that collaboratively. Alright, so that's a basic understanding of how we might use HDi Sketch. It enables you to use existing content, enables collaborative learning on the interactive whiteboard, and being able to use gesture control. Hope you found that useful. Thanks very much for your time.